Hey team! Before we dive into the technical details, any thoughts on our faculty advisor, Professor Anderson?
I've heard she's really supportive and encourages creative solutions. We should definitely keep her in the loop as we progress.
Agreed. I'll draft an email introducing ourselves, outlining our project, and seeking her guidance. It's always good to have the faculty on board from the start.
Good call, Ruby. Now, for the coding aspect, I'm leaning towards Django for the back end. It has a robust framework, and its ORM system will make handling the database a breeze.
Django's a solid choice. I'm thinking, for the EY, we could incorporate a material design approach. It's visually appealing and offers a consistent user experience. What do you guys think?
I like the idea. It gives the app a modern and familiar feel. Plus, it aligns well with the tech-savvy image we want for our Smart Campus Connect project.
Perfect. So Django for the back end, material design for the UI. I'll start setting up the project repository on GitHub so we can all collaborate seamlessly.
Awesome. I'll get started on the design concepts. I'm thinking a user-friendly dashboard with quick access to features like campus maps, event calendars, and maybe even integration with the university's e-learning platform.
Speaking of integration, I did some research on IoT devices. What do you think about using Raspberry Pi devices with environmental sensors and RFID readers for student and faculty tracking?
That's a solid idea. We can use Python for Raspberry Pi programming. It'll tie in neatly with the Django backend. Let's make sure the system is scalable to accommodate future IoT expansions.
Absolutely. I'll start compiling a list of required hardware and sensors. Also, I'll check for any compatibility issues with Django and Python on the Raspberry Pi.
This is shaping up nicely, team. For the design, I'll explore a color palette that complements the university's branding. Maybe incorporate some elements from our logo into the UI.
Good thinking. Let's make sure the Smart Campus Connect app feels like an extension of the university's identity.
Agreed. I'll also include a section in the email to Professor Anderson about our IoT implementation plans. It's good to get her input on this aspect too.
Great. So, we have our tech stack, design approach, and a plan for reaching out to Professor Anderson. Let's aim to have a more detailed project plan by our next meeting.
Sounds like a plan. Looking forward to making Smart Campus Connect a reality with both of you and Professor Anderson's guidance.